It's the news we've been waiting for. The CDC now says those who are fully vaccinated can take off their masks both outdoors and indoors. You also no longer have to practice social distancing. President Biden, an ardent mask wearer, shed his face covering and had this message for the American people.
After a year of hard work and so much sacrifice, the rule is very simple. Get vaccinated or wear a mask until you do.
Also, we've learned both St. Louis City and County will announce new health orders in the morning in light of this new guidance from the CDC.
So what might we see? Our Casey Nolan is diving deeper into the changes, and he's live downtown. Casey.
Experts Mike and Ann emphasize these changes are meant for fully vaccinated Americans, and they say these changes could lead to more people getting the shot.
I think it's very exciting. It's very encouraging. It's really following the science and following the data, which is important.
Dr. Bill Powderly is the chief of infectious disease and director of the Institute for Public Health at Washington University, two areas of expertise that intersect in Thursday's announcement from the CDC. The agency now advises fully vaccinated Americans can drop their masks in just about any situation.
Are we learning more about the virus, more about the vaccine? Why the change?
It's both.
Dr. Powderly says researchers are becoming more and more confident that most cases of COVID are caught indoors, and they are more confident in the vaccines to keep people from getting the virus in the first place.
If they do acquire it, their risk of transmitting it is lower. And that in particular in outdoor settings, that becomes a very, very small risk.
But those who are not vaccinated are still vulnerable to catching and passing along the virus, says Powderly, and giving COVID a chance to mutate.
We're very likely to be in an unfortunate situation, in later on in the year, where we'll see infections rise, but only in people who haven't been vaccinated.
Public health officials hope more people will choose to get a vaccine as they see them protect millions and allow them the option to go maskless. Still, some may also choose to keep wearing their masks, even with a vaccine.
You go indoors and you say, this is pretty crowded, and I don't know who's vaccinated and who's not in here. I'm going to put on my mask just for safety's sake. That should be completely acceptable. Again, I want to emphasize that people who have been vaccinated can still get COVID, and they can still transmit it, but the risk is extraordinarily less than somebody who's not vaccinated.
Dr. Powderly says places like grocery stores, hospitals for sure, will likely have mask mandates inside their businesses, inside their buildings for quite some time. He doesn't think we're going back to complete 2019 anytime soon. As for the city and the county and those announcements we are expecting in the morning, I'm told that they will align our local health orders with these CDC guidelines. That's at 11:30 in the morning. Live downtown, Casey Nolan, 5 on your side.